Does your air conditioning system need to be taken off life support? Has your boiler gone on the fritz? Maybe your central heating ventilation setup has decided to go on vacation. No matter the case, if your HVAC system is facing a hurdle, who you gonna call? Not Ghostbusters, us. If you need HVAC assistance, we'll be there in a jiffy, whipping out our tools, skills, and expertise to get the job done quickly and efficiently. We pride ourselves on our comprehensive, thorough repair services, crafting lasting solutions to your unique problems. Maybe there's nothing wrong, but you just want to carry out some routine maintenance. That's fine too. We'll race on over and get the job done with ease, professionalism, and a smile. Sometimes technology changes, which is why we won't hesitate to upgrade your system to get with the times. So what are you waiting for? Call us or save our number now for future reference. We're always happy to help.